Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the healthcare industry by assisting doctors during surgeries, diagnosis, and clinical trials. The healthcare sector is leveraging a myriad applications of artificial intelligence in healthcare to save more lives during the COVID-19 pandemic. AI is reaching a level where doctors can rely on it for treating their patients without a trace of worry. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the distant future. It is all around us. Many different industries are using smart machines to help ease the burden of manual labor, and AI is paving the way for forward-looking technology like self-driving cars and autonomous drones. Artificial intelligence is now establishing itself as a key player in the fight against coronavirus. Health and well-being are accorded a lot of importance in all our lives. No stone is, therefore, left unturned when it comes to improvisations in the field of healthcare. AI is an advanced technology that has delivered umpteen applications in the healthcare industry. Earlier, doctors followed a reactive approach. Only upon the confirmation of symptoms for a disease, doctors would treat their patients. But now, with AI in healthcare, medical professionals and researchers are developing a proactive approach where patients are being offered personalized care much before an issue may crop up. However, AI in healthcare is not a new thing today. The use of virtual assistants, precise diagnosis of dreadful diseases, and assistance of chatbots have been around in the healthcare industry for quite some time now. However, as the power of AI is only increasing over time, you will be shocked to know that the new and sophisticated applications of AI are about to change the way doctors administer patient care. Medical professionals and experts have found numerous opportunities in the healthcare sector, where they can implement AI to impact doctors and patients positively. So, where does AI stand in the healthcare industry today? Here's an example to give you a quick idea. Recent research from Allied Market says that artificial intelligence in the healthcare market is expected to reach $22,790 million by 2023, globally. This is the power of AI. Significant development has been made by AI in the field of robotics and drones. In fact, robotics is one of the most exciting applications of AI. Imagine your parents are unwell and they are home alone. Now, you need not worry because AI is here to help you. Robots can be your parents' nurse and assist them with the required medications in the correct dosages, right on time. Next come the drones. The use of drones is being witnessed across industries today, and the healthcare industry is no exception. During natural calamities or similar situations of crisis, drones can offer medical assistance to several lives in the quickest way possible. What is new in the realm of AI for the healthcare industry? Well, now doctors can trust AI to treat their patients, and we can say that doctors will soon be seen taking the back seat. 3D printing is one of the emerging applications of AI. The technology helps doctors understand human anatomy appropriately, allowing them to identify the occurrence of any disease. Besides, dentists can create customized dental models for their patients according to their need. 3D printing will also enable doctors to print medicines for their patients. AI imaging devices are getting more sophisticated than ever before, thereby offering better diagnosis. XDR, AI imaging device, can now help doctors diagnose retinopathy in people with diabetes without involving physicians. It's not just in the medical field that artificial intelligence is taking over human input. But e-commerce is especially susceptible to AI disruption, as learning technologies and algorithms are currently transforming the way we buy and sell goods online. Not only can AI perform the tasks we previously did manually, but it can also optimize the customer experience and provide retailers with the information they need to make an informed business decision. The introduction of artificial intelligence copywriting is revolutionizing the way brands create their sales copy. AI writing tools can generate marketing copy within seconds. Instead of hiring copywriters or ad agencies to write headlines, blog intros, or product descriptions, brands are now able to use AI software. These tools can offer digital ad copy, social media content, and other e-commerce copy using advanced AI language models. One of the benefits of shopping in a physical store is the presence of an employee or assistant who can help you navigate the store and find what you're looking for. While e-commerce has always had customer service representatives who can offer phone support, It wasn't until recently that AI helped fill in the gap to provide customers with immediate assistance. The use of chatbots and other virtual assistants is increasing among e-commerce retailers, providing 24/7 support to all their online customers. These chatbots can interpret voice-based interactions with online shoppers through natural language processing, and provide personalized offers to customers. They're also continuously improving, as they're programmed with self-learning capabilities that better equip them to address customer needs. AI is also incredibly adept at providing a personalized experience to customers through accurate product recommendations and advertising. AI algorithms will sift through enormous datasets to retrieve actionable insights into customer behavior that will help them better predict exactly what a customer needs, when they need it. They can use the information from your shopping history to suggest products that align with what you're searching for. For example, if you've recently searched for sponges on Amazon, the AI algorithms will recommend other related cleaning products on your page. This AI technology can even be used across platforms such as websites, email, and even mobile apps, by helping you create localized content to fit your audience, or multiple audiences, and AI can help you give your customers a more enjoyable and streamlined experience. Personalization is the key to a pleasant customer journey, which is why so much e-commerce advertising is now using artificial intelligence algorithms. Another area of e-commerce where AI's predictive analytics are reshaping the terrain is in the context of inventory management. Storage facilities don't have the space or the money to always keep everything in stock, which is why it's important to prioritize the products you need, when you need them. Inventory must be kept up to date, stored properly, and ordered ahead of time, based on predictions of customer demand. AI technology uses predictive analysis to make estimates about what future demands in the market will look like. With the use of machine learning, this AI technology becomes better and better at accurately predicting what inventory you need to order, and how much of it you should always have on hand. These AI systems can anticipate quick changes in demand, conduct preventive maintenance for your technology, and even automate certain packing procedures to increase efficiency. E-commerce brands are increasingly turning to artificial intelligence to improve their analytical insights, create a more personalized customer experience, and increase their competitiveness. As the market for AI in e-commerce continues to grow, any brand not investing in its potential will be left in the dust. Today, there is innumerable data continuously generated, and it all needs to be processed and organized in some way. AI is important because it enables human capabilities, perception, reasoning, understanding, planning, and communication to be undertaken by software increasingly effectively, efficiently, and at lower costs. The main point of artificial intelligence is that the hard work of humans is reduced, and the efficiency of doing a task has increased. So guys, I hope this gives you a good insight into how and why we are using artificial intelligence to better humanity. Thanks for watching guys. Please be sure to leave some feedback in the comments, and hit subscribe for more.